Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out CaniBrands. CaniBrands makes CBD products specially designed to actually do something. They're designed with a specific function to help get you the most out of your CBD products for whatever you're trying to get support for. Their unique formulations include broad-spectrum CBD, herbal extracts, and vitamins to all kind of come together with a more directed purpose. CaniBrands products are doctor-formulated, not only with CBD, but with a variety of cannabinoids, vitamins, herbal extracts, and nutraceuticals that are specifically designed to help the benefits of CBD. Ultimately, they work better together to help give you a better experience. If you're looking for sleep support, if you're looking for a boost, that's basically the idea. They basically asked the question, hey, why do people take CBD? Why do they use CBD? And then they came up with 4 categories. Makes sense. CaniBrands breaks down into 4 different experiences. There's Cani-Mend, that's your pain, inflammation, and recovery CBD product. Soothing Relief CBD Cream, and jojoba, and camphor, jojoba. Their Cani-Mend Extra is perfect for muscle soreness, but being that it is a topical cream, they also added a bunch of supporting herbs, vitamins to help give you better skin support. Make your skin all nice. Smoother than that, Cani-Sleep is your go-to for sleep recovery and just better sleep health overall. This is their sleep capsules. On top of being a CBD product, they also add melatonin, chamomile, and valerian root, all herbs that are known to help with sleep. This is the one. Their customers apparently had significant improvement in their sleep habits, the duration, and the quality. They were so significant that they pretty much kept on coming back for more. You know, you find something that works, you stick with it. Well, apparently, Cani-Sleep does work. Cani-Fresh is more of your purest CBD product. It's designed to refresh and revitalize, basically a stress reliever. This little number right here is their tincture, and it has ashwagandha and tulsi in it. And lastly, there's Cani-Boost, which is, you guessed it, gives you a boost. Boost of focus, boost of energy. It's designed to be the morning CBD product, basically. Unless you're pulling an all-nighter, which, don't make a habit of that. This is actually a spray. Super simple, you just... Oh, minty. That is just delightful. And so cool. CBD spray. I've never seen anything like this before, so this is particularly cool for me. I like this. It's a powerful blend of CBD, organic coffee bean extract, blended terpenes, MCT oil, and vitamin B12 and D3. One thing that's important to note with all of their products is that they're lab tested. This isn't just products that they're slapping together. This isn't your gas station CBD product. A lot of thought and a lot of very specific formulation has gone into each of these products. And it kind of makes sense since they're all supporting with other vitamins, other herbal extracts to give them more of a specific function versus just here's your CBD, you know, take it. No, there's more of purpose. This is mission accomplishing CBD products. They're all natural and they are non-habit forming as well. So you can not have to worry too much about taking their products. It's not a huge deal. It's here for support, does its job. You miss a couple days, not a big deal. And it's a safer alternative than a lot of other medication out there. CaniBrands actually has a lot of anecdotal information about the effectiveness of their products, and it's been adopted in a lot of major sports organizations. The NHL especially, but also the NFL and MLB. And even beyond that, they have an incredible track record of repeat customers. Check out some of the reviews, they're all fantastic. And well, that's because people get a lot out of this stuff. If you're looking for a CBD product and you have a specific thing in mind, whether it's sleep, you want better muscle recovery, you want to feel a little bit boosted or just relax, check out CaniBrands. They have a lot of great specifically designed products that can help you solve what you're looking to solve. Where you're looking to get support, they'll give you the support you need. That's it for our first look of CaniBrands. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe, give us a like, it's all helpful. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.